In 2025, Cash App has nearly every feature you could ask for except for one. Right now, it's a full-service banking and investing app with bonus features. You're going to have a cash balance at the top. You can receive your paychecks here. There's a savings feature where you can earn 4% interest per year. They have Bitcoin and stocks. You can even file your taxes. There's a card that allows you to spend your balance and you can get different offers. Peer-to-peer payments to send money back and forth with people that you know, and much more. So what's the huge feature that they're missing? That would be a credit card. And I think the key difference between a credit card and the debit card that they have within their app is that a credit card allows you to earn points. It has a points system that connects with other major companies like airlines, travel, hotels, restaurants, and much more. And then with your spending, you would be able to build status with Cash App and these other partners. Now, personally, I think it could be something that they're working on. Cash App is slow and very calculated to roll out these new features, and something like a credit card with a points system would take a long time to develop, and you need to have really solid partnerships locked in with things like airlines and travel. So when you earn points on your app, you could convert those to like United Miles or Delta Miles. And Cash App doesn't like to launch anything that's mediocre. They like to really take their time and launch things that are extremely solid, so that in their app it works faster, easier, quicker, better than other apps, than other competitors. And you especially see that with these features here in the save and invest section. It's just extremely easy to do. And Cash App already has a loans feature, so I know they're not totally against a credit type system. So maybe like the loans feature was more of a test for them, and the credit card feature will be much bigger. Anyways, that's something I could see them rolling out in 2025 or 2026, because they really haven't launched anything massive in a while. There haven't been many updates or changes in a while, and a credit card would be the one killer feature to make this like the ultimate banking and finance app. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.